Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are good and fine. So students, we have started chapter 6 of class 7 and it is based on the triangle and its properties. So we will do one more property and that is known as Pythagoras Theorem, or you can say Pythagoras Property. So this is the property that is applicable for a right angle triangle. What is a Pythagoras property? Let's learn it. So it is applicable for a right angle triangle only. I have a right angle triangle and here we are making a right angle. So this where we are making a right angle is known as base. Where we are standing and making the longest side of a right angle triangle is known as hypotenuse. And this that is making 90-degree angle, that is known as height, or you can say perpendicular. Or you can say height of the right angle triangle. So students, in right angle triangle, all three sides are having different names. One is longest side, that is hypotenuse, and one is base, and one is perpendicular, you can say height. So what is Pythagoras and how it is applicable for a right angle triangle? So first learn what is Pythagoras. Pythagoras was a Greek philosopher who discovered this property and it was a blessing for the mathematics. It is applicable for higher classes in geometry, in trigonometry. It is very useful for us. So before going into detail, let's learn how to use this theorem or this property to find out any side of a right angle triangle, or is it a right angle or not. So this property helps us to find out value of hypotenuse or a value of perpendicular or value of base. You all know the 90-degree angle. The opposite side of it is longest side and it is known as hypotenuse. So as we have done triangle inequality theorem, there we learn the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. Here students, we will use this hypotenuse. We will call it H. We will name it H, this B and this P. So here H is equal to base plus perpendicular, square of it. So the Pythagoras theorem said that the square of the longest side is equal to the square of base plus square of the perpendicular. Or you can say the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of different perpendicular and base, different sides. So let's use it and solve some questions based on it. Students, let's make use of this Pythagoras property. We will understand it with the help of one example. I have taken this triangle ABC. AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 12 centimeter. So we have to find the value of AC. Okay, you know ABC is a right angle triangle and angle of 90 degree is at B. So let's do it by Pythagoras property. It is a right angle triangle. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, right? This hypotenuse, or you can say AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here what is the value of AB? That is 5. So 5 square plus 12 square. I hope it is clear to you. This is square, means power 2, exponent 2. So 5 is having 2 power, means 5 is having 2 5s are here. 12 is also having 2 powers, means 12 is also having 2 powers over here. So 5 power 2 means 5 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 25, plus 12 into 12, that is 144. We call it the square of a number. Square of a number means multiplication of that number with the another number, same number 2 times. Okay, so here we have power exponents 2, so we will multiply 5 into 5, 12, 12 into 12, so 25 plus 144. So here students, we got 169. So now AC square is 169, but you know 169, we have to remove this power, so we only leave AC. So what we will do, we will do the prime factorization also, or simply we can find out this is square of which number. So we will find it out. Suppose this is 9 at the unit place, so only 2 digit can have 9 at unit place, that is 3 and 9 only. So 3 and 9 they can have, but if we multiply 9 by 9 we will not get, but if we multiply 3 by 3 we will get 9. So we need a number that is having 3 at its unit place. So the square of 13 is 169. AC, we have 2 power, and 13 is also having 2 power, we will cut that. And the answer is, therefore AC, the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, you can say. So students, to find perfect square, if you want to find the perfect square root of a number, you may use the prime factorization method also. So I hope this method is clear to you. If the Pythagoras property holds, if the sum of square of two sides is equal to the square of third side, means the Pythagoras property is applicable there, then we can say that this triangle is a right angle triangle. So we will learn it also, how to go about it. Let's see. Now let's learn to use the Pythagoras property again. Is the triangle right angle or not? So how we will go about? For example, we have 3 sides, that is 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. I hope it is clear to you. So we have to find out, is the triangle right angle or not. So what we will do, 3 square 9 centimeter, 4 square that is 16 and 5 square is 25. So students, we have these values with us. So we will find out. Three square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. Because 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. So we can say, therefore the triangle is a right angle triangle. Right angled triangle. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's do the questions based on it.